In a vast, open savannah, there once lived a wise old elephant named Elara. Elara was known far and wide for her intelligence and compassion. One day, a tiny grain of rice fell from a nearby tree and landed at Elara's feet. Elara knelt down to pick up the grain, but a tiny ant scurried towards it. Elara paused, watching as the ant, though minuscule, managed to lift the grain with its tiny jaw and carry it back to its colony. Elara was amazed. How could such a small creature carry something so heavy, she wondered aloud. The ants, busy with their work, didn't hear her. The next day, Elara encountered a problem. A thick thorn had pierced her foot, causing her great pain. Unable to remove it herself, she called out for help. All the animals in the savannah came rushing, but none were strong enough to pull out the thorn. Remembering the ant, Elara had an idea. She found the ant colony and asked for their help. The ants, led by their queen, worked together, lifting Elara's foot with their combined strength, and with a gentle pull, they removed the thorn. Elara was grateful. "You are truly strong, even though you are small," she said to the ants. "Never underestimate your strength because of your size." From that day forward, Elara always remembered that even the smallest creatures have their own strength and that everyone has a role to play in the grand scheme of things. And the ants, they learned that their tiny efforts could make a big difference. So, remember, no matter how small you may feel, never underestimate your own strength and the impact you can make. For every grain of rice, every small action can lead to something significant. Moral asterisk: always remember, no matter how small, every action counts.